Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Crazy again. By the way guys, today I'm buying water. So I'm sick to this. Guys. But I need to dry because we don't have a water. And today also we are cleaning my church there. So I'm sick. So I trying the best that we can do. We can work because I don't have water guys there. So I buying here, then finally we are here. So the station water. So I'm waiting because they are cleaning my gallon guys. Just me only, and today also General today's General also is absent because I said that you need be absent because I'm sick. Because yesterday I'm very sick yesterday, so General is absent. So General is there in the store because I'm buying here the water. I don't have water there, so that's why I need to drive. Because if I take that another driver, so I need to finance, so I can do just slowly to drive, so we can hear. We can hear. So look guys, I park good, right? So just little practice the park good action. So this one is the machine car. It's a good machine. So very hot. So hot. This is my road. It's big rainy. It's very muddy here. Shaking. Driving, I do camera, I do video guys. So this is my roller. It's very here the problem. This is what you kay ayo pagkatao eh. Grabe inita oy. Hindi lang. Din is 19 gallon. Murag bag-o na. Dito na lain na. Papa di ka naligo? Dagay ni kaligo. Muli ka dong isi? Dire na puro na bago. Birahan ng usa. Kanang. Bili lang tong usa dong, kaway tubig ang kuan. Dituas tubig ba, mineral. Hulug-hulugan. Wa. Dala na dong. Jantil na dong dito ra nas kuan. Da na. Jantil na dito ra nas tubig.